Welcome to Huobi, a leading digital asset trading exchange in the world. Today, I will show you how to take OTC trades on Huobi OTC website. Currently, Huobi OTC supports BTC, USDT, ETH, EOS, and Huobi token, HT. And we support 18 kinds of local currencies, as shown on the screen. If you need to trade with other digital assets, please transfer your BTC, USDT, ETH, EOS, and HT balances to your Huobi Global Exchange account for further exchanges. How to buy digital assets. Firstly, visit otc.huobi.com website. If you already have a Huobi account, please log in with the existing account information. Click the Login button. Log in with your phone number or email address. Drag the slider to log in. If you do not have a Huobi account yet, click the Sign Up button. Select your nationality. Enter your phone number or email address and click to get an SMS email verification code. Enter the verification code you just received. Set your login password and click the Sign Up button. After login, you can choose to buy, sell from the advertisement posted by users with high completion rate or verified merchants who have digital assets as security deposit, assuming that you are buying BTC. Select the advertisement with your desired price and payment method and click the Buy BTC button. Enter your desired amount or volume and click the Confirm button. On the order page, please confirm your payment amount, total value, and payment method of this transaction. You need to transfer money to the seller within time limits. Make sure that you click the I've paid button only after finishing payment. Here comes a reminder. The corresponding digital assets of the order will be locked by Huobi after you place it. All you need to do is transfer money directly to the seller as per the seller's stated payment methods, such as bank transfer, PayPal, or Western Union. If you have paid to the seller, do not click the Cancel button unless you have received refund from the seller. In the pop-up Confirm Payment window, click the Confirm button. If you haven't completed payment, do not click the Confirm button, as this will run against the transaction regulations. After you completed the payment, wait for the seller to release corresponding digital assets. During the waiting process, you can contact the seller via the chat box or speak to customer support. When the seller releases the digital assets, this transaction is completed successfully. Click on Transfer Now to transfer the digital assets to your exchange account. You can also check your purchased digital assets in the Balances page in the upper right corner. Below are some tips for you. 1. If you haven't received the digital assets 5 minutes after clicking I've paid, you can click Appeal, and our customer support specialist will assist in the chat window for further processing. 2. Should there be any other issues or disputes, you can contact support@huobi.pro. For safe and reliable digital asset trading, just come to Huobi OTC.